Good afternoon, everyone who is still jogging with me. Today, a little bit about quick measures, and after that, some visualization. We have accomplished all the parts regarding DAX language. So let's just get started. The dataset is about slipping habits, slipping data, and usage of phones actually. Smartphone usage productivity. So I lied about the sleeping hours. There is such column, but it's not only about that. So at first, let's see how quick measures are made. I will just do something very simple, and probably that doesn't make sense, but just to show that. So if I pick one field that is a numeric field, so sleeping hours, I'm clicking the three dots and choosing now I can see new measure, but maybe I have to click on the right click. That's interesting. Add. Yeah, it's interesting. I was adding a quick measure before, and I had to click here with the right. Maybe if I is there any way to delete that option? Okay, if it's already open, then it's open. I don't know why is that. So I can pick, let's say, average per category. I'm not sure if this first field has to be used, because here I'm picking sleeping hours, and I can pick if that has to be average. So I don't know if picking here makes sense, or maybe picking here gives a certain options. Maybe if I would choose year to date, then here, no, not actually. Not sure how it actually works, but well, never mind. So here I'm picking the average of sleeping hours per category. So let's do occupation. Let's add this one, and maybe I can add one more. Let's see the difference if I will choose here sum. Add. Is that the new one? Okay, great. So now I would like to add a table with these two measures. Are they different somehow? Yes, they are, because this one is summed up. Let's additionally add sleep hours. Okay, so each one it's not as different. Sum of sleep hours, average per occupation. Also, maybe actually if there are 4 occupations. Okay, so let's start from the beginning. So average of sleep hours, average per occupation, is an average of the whole set. Actually, it's like per each user, I would say. The sum of sleep hours average per occupation would be, there are 4 occupations, so there is a sum of all and divided by the amount of occupations. So the sum that is here for all the users is being divided by 4. And here, if I would like to check that like this, yeah, then these, that's pretty interesting that they are a little bit different, but okay, it's per each different occupation. So that's the quick measure. If you do it like this, then PowerBi automatically creates a DAX function. formula, and you may probably learn from it, so you can create all the different measures, quick measures, and see how they are made. However, on the course it's not so suggested to use that, maybe at the beginning, but also it seems that especially in the more complex data sets, these quick measures are not as much efficient as a good written measure would be. So that's all about the quick measures. And now we're gonna start something about data visualization, which is about creating a landing page. Actually, first of all, you have to, you don't have to, but you may use a framework for the project report. So you're asking questions: who is the recipient of the report, how many details there has to be, how to build it visually, how it should look like, and so on, what is the layout. You can create the layout in PowerPoint or on a piece of paper, and just try to look how it may be looking. There are two websites where you can look at the colors palettes. So the first one is Teams PowerBi Tips. You can create the color palette and download it in JSON file, or you can use also such a page in which you're picking the colors here, and you can also export them. In Power BI, let's create a simple chart with maybe some few lines. So here are the lines, and actually I think I have already chosen some theme. It's on view. Okay, so here are some all different views, all different palettes of different colors for each row. Oh, here they're just blue, so you cannot actually know which one is which. So you can customize the themes. You can save them also in JSON file that consists all the information about the colors and so on. And also you can browse for themes. So if I have some downloaded on my desktop, I can apply them on my dashboard. So that's about these themes, and also there is something like a landing page, which is the starting page for the project, and there can be some page. Okay, these are pages. So let's do this, and this one will be named ending page. So it's just to show that you can insert buttons. Let's take it here. Let's do it a little bit larger. I can copy it and make 3 of them. On the right side, you can apply any adjustments for them. For example, I can make it rounded like a rectangle. Also, there are some rotations and so on and so on. I would like to add some text. So this one will be moving to ending page because it's the bottom one. I can I have to actually, I want to add an action, which will be a page navigation, and it will be navigating to the ending page. I can also add a tooltip, so click here to move to ending page. So that's the one tooltip I will show. I can, like in Excel, I can use Format Painter to use it on the other buttons. No, I can't. I can't. How is? Well, I have to check on the Google Translator. Oh, I couldn't hit it. I thought there was a different word. I couldn't hit it. Could hit the button. Now let's just add a text. So this one is the second one, so it will move to charts 2, and the action is page navigation to charts 2. The first one is just charts. The action, hey, action icon. I think I clicked icon accidentally. This one is moving to charts. Okay, the tooltip was that if I drag the cursor on the button but not clicking it, I can see what's written. Click here to move to ending page. Clicking on the buttons doesn't work. You have to click Ctrl on the keyboard, and then it will move to the certain card or page. Probably it would be a good idea to fit a button also somewhere here, that you can go back, or maybe to the first page. This wasn't in the course, but I suppose it should be. Also, I had a small problem with working with these buttons, because after creating one, there was a pop-up window of PowerBi to log into PowerBi with business email. So on the internet I found a solution. In options and settings, there is one place which has to be clicked. It's for preview features, and translytical task flow has to be turned off, and that worked. There were multiple other propositions of the solution, but this one helped. Yeah, so that's all for today. We are going to visualization right now, wait for the next episodes. Thanks again, and peace. Yo.